Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Foundation app for NFT bidding access step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Foundation app on your home screen. Tap on the Foundation app icon to launch it. Wait for the app to load completely. Once the app is open, look for the login button on the main screen. Tap on the login button to proceed to the next step. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address carefully into the provided field. After entering your email, locate the password field. Type your password into the password field. Double-check your credentials to ensure there are no typos. Once you're confident in your input, look for the login or submit button. Tap the login button to submit your credentials. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password. In case you can't remember your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, return to the login screen. Enter your email and new password again to log in. After successfully logging in, you will have access to NFT bidding features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its layout and options. You're now ready to start bidding on NFTs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.